listening to the Agent Survival Guide podcast, a podcast for today's insurance agents. Informing, educating, empowering, improving the way you do business in an industry that's anything but static. In today's episode, sometimes we all need a little help, or maybe a lot of help. Chances are, if you could use an extra hand with your business, it means your business is doing well. Should you hire an assistant for your insurance business? Written by Lauren Hayden. To say that the annual enrollment period is an extremely busy time of year for insurance agents is a massive understatement. Here at the Agent Survival Guide podcast, we know just how hectic AEP can get, and sometimes it's a little overwhelming. It's good practice to take a step back and evaluate how your business is going. Are things running smoothly? Are they getting done on time? What are some pain points and areas that could improve production? One of the questions you may want to consider is, should you hire an assistant? Let's look at some variables and situations to help you determine if hiring an assistant is the right move. Do you have a large book of business? Having a lot of clients is fantastic. It took a lot of hard work and dedication to get you where you are today. That being said, the more clients you have, the busier you are, especially during AEP. One reason you may consider hiring an assistant, either permanently or just during the busy season, is to take some of the weight off your shoulders for scheduling appointments. If your phone is ringing so much that you struggle to find time to get work done, you may want to hire an assistant to answer phone calls and schedule your meetings. As long as you're familiar with your client's needs before going into the appointment, there's no harm in having your assistant take over the scheduling aspect. Do you work crazy hours? It's great to put in a lot of time and effort into your job. After all, hard work is the key to success, right? While this is true, working too hard for too long can lead to burnout. You don't want to jump into AEP at full speed only to be worn out by November. Hiring an assistant may help you get your schedule back on track. If you find that you're having to work a lot of nights and weekends, hiring an assistant could help you get your tasks done quickly during typical working hours. Can you afford it? You probably won't be able to find an assistant who's willing to work for you for free unless you hire an intern, which is also a viable option. You'll have to consider how much you can afford to pay an assistant. Do you want a full-time or part-time assistant? It's all dependent upon the needs of you and your business. When budgeting, don't forget to factor in the profits that an assistant can bring you. If they can help you boost your business and get more clients, that may outweigh what you pay for your assistant in the long run. Evaluate the pros and cons and decide what's best for you. You could also consider hiring a virtual assistant, as this may be a cheaper option. There are a lot of websites to find freelance virtual assistants like Upwork, Fiverr, even LinkedIn with their services marketplace. We'll have those websites linked in the episode notes, along with podcast episodes all about digital resources for your business. Do you have too many to-dos on your checklist? If you feel like you are drowning in never-ending checklists, consider hiring an assistant to take some tasks off your plate. Having another person available to do tasks for you could significantly alleviate your stress and workload. You can also consider partnering with an FMO, like Ritter Insurance Marketing. You'll gain access to our parent company Integrity's suite of tools, including Ask Integrity. This is the first digital assistant in the insurance industry for agents. Ask Integrity is an AI-driven tool that helps you stay up to date, keep track of, and organize your clients' information. In an instant, it can summarize client details, call recordings, and appointment notes. While this tool doesn't negate the need to hire a personal assistant, it can still save you a lot of time and energy you can use toward your clients and employees. You can always hire an assistant and take advantage of these resources that Ritter and Integrity have to offer. Technology is a great way to streamline business practices, leaving you with more time to build community with clients face-to-face. For more information about partnering with Ritter and our technology resources, visit the link in the episode notes. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. You can contact us at asgpodcast@ritterim.com. Thanks for listening. We will see you next episode. The Agent Survival Guide podcast is a production of Ritter Insurance Marketing, an Integrity company. This episode was written by Lauren Hayden. Script proofing by Tina Lamoureux. Recording and production by me, Sarah Ruppel. Podcast design by Urban Rivera. Follow along with our show wherever you like to listen. Rate and review our show on Apple or Spotify.